cleaning out the garage today, and thought I'd take a quick video of what's in my garage. This doesn't include what's in storage underneath the back porch, in the basement, and out in the world. I got close to 40 tractors now, I believe. My Massey Ferguson Executive, just put wheel weights on it, brand new Goodyear Ags. I'm gonna put tri-ribs on front. This is a late model Executive. I also have another Massey Ferguson Executive 8 getting restored, and it's mid-year. It has the white steering wheel instead of the black steering wheel, and the early production had the aluminum steering wheel. Here's my mulling. It's a 112. I also have a 108 and a 112 and another 112. I picked this one up from Mr. Brett Essie up in Portage, Wisconsin, tractor show. Run drives, great tractor. It's going to be my mowing tractor for a while. You guys have seen my restored Town and Country. I just pulled it out. I gotta give it a bath and run it and make sure everything's still good. Love this tractor. My friend Tim restored it for me. New old stock engine, piston, rod, everything is NOS in the engine. It is awesome. I added a hydraulic lift. Great tractor, V61s, Goodyear Ags, great tractor. My Fugly Jacobsen 1450. It's got 22, 12 by 12s on back. Off of John Deere. Great traction. The grill is broken, so I put an early model 65 grill on it, and I had this awesome heavy steel plow. So I put the early model 65 and the earlier footrests on it, so I could mount the plow up. Electric lift works great. It's a tank. It goes, stops, not pretty, but it goes. This is I believe we nailed it down to a 58 Porter cable. It's fugly, but I'm slowly putting all the pieces together. Runs, drives, I got a welder bracket on the mower deck, and work on the pull start a little bit more and blow it apart and restore it and sandblast it, body work, make it right. And here is my 1965 Ford T1000. It is number 40 out of 451 made. I have 3 T-Series. I have this T1000. I just bought another T1000 out of Wisconsin. And then I have a T800 in the basement. And they only made roughly 351 T800s. You can see that there's a lot of orange on it because I want a fully decked out tractor. Hydraulic lift, rear lift, it has the optional parking brake, headlights, high-low transmission. When it's done, this is going to be one stunning tractor. My favorite tractor is the T-Series, and I would like to buy more. I would sell all my tractors just to buy more T's. They're just great. And then my little trim mower is a little 2-cycle GTS my buddy Mark picked up for me, and this thing's sweet. I love this tractor. Put on choke, 2 pumps. is awesome. It is awesome. So, yeah, that's just what's in my garage. In the next, let's see, 3 months, my other T1000 is going to be here. I bought a Lawn Master, which is like a Porter cable, and my Executives and my motor mowers, same chassis, 7 horsepower Kohler engine. I'm also looking at buying a Brillion, Brillion. My Massey Ferguson Executive should be done at restoration come January. I just bought another AMF 1414. I got 4 or 5 of those now. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff. But yeah, there's a little bit of money sitting here. So that's what's in my garage today.